Today we're going to talk about inequalities on a number line. And our essential question is, what are the different types of inequalities? Okay, so first we're going to talk about the four inequalities that we have. First we have this symbol, and that symbol means greater than. Another key word for greater than will be more than. Right? Another inequality is this symbol, and that means less than. And another key word for that symbol will be fewer than. The next one might be something new. It looks like this, and that means greater than or equal to. Okay. Some keywords are at least, not fewer than, and minimum. Okay. And the last inequality that we have is this one, and that one means less than or equal to. Okay, and some keywords for that one we have at most, not more than, and maximum. Okay. So we're going to do a few examples on each one. When we look at a number line and we have this less than, remember that's the symbol for less than, we are going to graph it with an open circle, and everything to the left of it is going to be our answer. Right? So an example, if we have x is less than 2, we would draw a number line and put 1, 2, 3. Our answer to this would be an open circle at 2, and everything to the left, because everything to the left of 2 is going to be less than that number. Okay. The next one we have less than or equal to. Okay. Whenever you look at a less than and equal to, because it has that line on the bottom, that means that it's also including the number that we're talking about. Okay, so to show that in a graph, we're going to have a circle that's filled in, a closed circle. Okay, and then again, we're pointing everything to the left of that. So an example, if we had x is less than or equal to 2, this is how we would do it. We would draw a number line. This is 1, 2, 3. We would draw a closed circle at 2 and then point everything to the left of 2. That's saying that we're including the number 2 and everything less than that. Okay, make sure you see the difference between those two. One is an open circle and one is a closed circle. The next one we have greater than. Right? Greater than, we will have an open circle and it's pointing everything to the right. Okay. So an example, if we had x is greater than 2, this is how our number line would look. We would have our 1, 2, 3. At 2, we would have an open circle, and then we would point everything to the right. Okay. And our last one, we have greater than or equal to. Remember, we have this line at the bottom, so whenever you see that line at the bottom, you're going to have a closed circle, and since it's greater than, we're going to point to everything to the right. Okay, an example for that one, if we had x is greater than or equal to 2, we would draw a number line, 1, 2, 3. And then at 2, we would have a closed circle to show that we're including 2. And then everything greater than 2 would be everything to the right. So we would draw a line to the right.